Now that you have successfully installed the app, let's give some of the recipes a try. Here on this page, you see the 3 recipes, 2 from Infusionsoft to Xero and 1 from Xero to Infusionsoft. The reason we only have 1 for Xero to Infusionsoft is that the same one handles new and updated contacts. You'll see that none of the recipes have been run before. It says never run under each of them. Now let's take a look at the Infusionsoft and Xero contacts. We see that in Infusionsoft, we have 2 contacts already. Looks like the first one came in from Xero, and the second one was created within Infusionsoft. Now let's take a look at Xero. Here, again we see that there are the same 2 contacts we saw in Infusionsoft. Let's get the integration recipe started to start the sync. We select the first recipe, New Infusionsoft Contacts and Companies to Xero. Click on the Start button and it turns orange. Okay, now let's go and add a new contact in Infusionsoft. Here we add all the details for the new contact, the address, and the email, and the phone numbers. Now let's go back to the Workato app page. On this page, you'll see that the count of processed transactions has gone up to 1. Also, you will see a history link below the stop button. Sometimes when you come to this screen, you may not see any change. This happens because the recipes look for new data every 5 minutes. To get it to pick up right away, you can use this trick. Stop the recipe and start it again. But remember that the recipes are always running and will continuously look for new records every 5 minutes. You don't have to do anything special. Let's now look at the Xero contacts again to see if it made it over. There we have our new contact. The name and phone look good, so let's take a look at the details. Alright, the address looks good too, and at the bottom we see a note saying the contact was created by the system. Everything looks good so far. Now let's try a company contact. Let's go to a company within Infusionsoft. This company, named My First Company, has already been set up, but it has no contacts yet. Let's click on the Contacts tab. Here we add the information for our new contact. We add the name, the address, the email, and the phone number. Now let's go back to Xero. You may have to do the stop and start of the recipe to pick it back up right away. I'm going to do that right now and then head over to the next Xero contact screen. Alright, looks like our new contact name came in. Note that the name of the contact has the company name, My First Company. Now, let's look at the details. The contact record from Infusionsoft is here. We see that the first name and the last name have been moved to the contact person's name. The 2 phone numbers are in, one from the company record and one from the contact record. The address is in from the company record. Okay, now let's start the recipe to move contacts from Xero to Infusionsoft. The Xero recipe is not on. Let's start it. By now you know how this works. I will add the new contact in Xero and then go to the app page to stop and start the recipe. Once I have restarted it, the number should go up, but even if it does not right away, don't worry. Head over to the Infusionsoft customer page to check for it. There it is! The name and email look good. Let's check out the details. The phone and email look good. The address looks good too. Let's see if the second address came in. Great! We have successfully moved contacts from Xero to Infusionsoft and back.